Let's make the very viral Trader Joe's dumpling bake. I was super excited for this one. Start with a baking dish. You do not need to spray it. 1 can of their organic coconut cream, 3 tablespoons of their soy aki, a half a jar of their Thai-style red curry sauce, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic minced. Give it a whisk. You want to break up those little chunks from the coconut cream and get all of those flavors blended together. 1 bag of their chicken gyoza pot stickers. Get those lined up in your pan. Make sure you're preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Let's get that covered with some tin foil. Put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Let's get it uncovered. And now we're just going to finish it off with some of their chili onion crunch and a little bit of chopped green onions. Pair it with some white rice, and you have an absolutely easy, delicious meal that everyone is going to love. Give me a like, a comment, whatever you can. I appreciate it, and a subscribe. Take care, everyone.